In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the Goliath race in Forza Horizon 6. All you have to do is simply get the golden wristband or the gold wristband and access the Legend Island. And to do that, you have to complete events on the map, be it speed traps, races, speed zones, and all the other events that will appear on the map. And then once you have gotten the gold wristband, you can simply complete this event, which is Horizon Legend event. Here it is. Once you complete it, you'll have access to the Legend Island. And then once the map has been unlocked, you should see this race, the Goliath. There's this one, and then there's another one here. Sorry, this one. There's another one there. So it unlocks all the Goliath races in Forza Horizon 6. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.